Hey guys, Craig here again with another how-to video. Today's product, Maxforce FC ant bait stations. Okay, we got 24 of these in a bag. 2 to 3 of these will cover a average size room. You're gonna wanna put these wherever the ants are trailing, foraging ants are seen. Foraging ants are the ants that come out and let everybody else know, hey, this is a good place to come, and then they bring the rest of their friends and family, and now you have a freeway all over your kitchen, per se, or anywhere else that may be. These are indoor, outdoor, so wherever you need to put them, they are child resistant. Try to keep them away from pets that are gonna chew through them. Basically, there is a little dot of the insecticide inside the bait station. You can pick that up and visually inspect. Check them every 2 weeks until you get to a point where the bait is just staying there. If the bait is completely empty, you want them to have a constant food source, so just place a new one out. Store these in a dry, cool spot. Other than that, guys, pretty simple to use and very effective. If you have any questions about the Maxforce FC ant bait stations, get a hold of us at howtopest.com. Thank you.